boys and girls, we have something really cool.
Bring a bell if I push it.
I don't think no.
Doesn't do anything.
What's weird is I tried to call it from the second floor and it didn't do anything, so I was worried.
Because the door was open.
Yeah, I was worried it was broken.
You slightly miss levels. There's quite a few rocks in here.
Let's be quiet.
And a Dover Helpline phone.
This thing's tiny. Oh my god. Alright. Accordion elevator door. They spelled accordion wrong, I think.
No, that's right.
Oh, it is? I'm
Yeah.
dumb. Forget I said that.
Keep it exposed.
Alright, here we go. This thing is so cool.
We're just like crammed up in here.
I know. There's a rock in here.
2 rocks.
Oh, wow, listen to that thing.
There's more than 1 rock.
Where?
He's
Oh shit, yeah. Dude, this thing is tiny. This is like this. Let's do one more ride.
One more?
Yeah.
Here, I want to get a picture of the buttons. Okay, cool. Let's hit it up. Hopefully we're not making too much noise to bother anybody around here. I know these old machines are kind of loud.
Alright. I like how the retiring camp makes a hissing noise.
Yeah. It's ready to retire.
Oh wow, look at that. I'm trying to see what it says on there.
I remember that time when you touched that one
Oh,
and it
God.
shocked you.
Oh yeah.